In this video, I want to talk about one of the most important concepts in Google Analytics, and that is UTM parameters. So when you are building links and when you are promoting the links, you can add it with something called UTM parameters, which are parameters on the URL itself, which helps you track the source, medium, and campaign name. In the previous videos, we have talked about attribution. So UTM parameters are the one which helps in attribution a lot. So first let's look at why it is called UTM parameters. So UTM is nothing but urchin tracking module, and before Google Analytics was created, the software was called Urchin software. So here you can see that Urchin Software Corp was acquired by Google in April 2005, forming Google Analytics. So the truth about Google Analytics is that Google Analytics was not built from scratch. Google acquired this analytics software program and Google built Google Analytics on top of it. So because it was called Urchin, UTM is called Urchin Tracking Module, and the name never changed. So it is still called UTM parameters or UTM builder. So to put this into action, what you need to do is that you can go and search for something like UTM builder, or you can even go ahead and search for UTM links, and you will be able to see a link from Google. So it is called campaign URL builder, and you go inside campaign URL builder. So whenever you are promoting certain links to your website from different sources of traffic such as paid advertising or Facebook or Twitter, it is advisable to go ahead and build UTM parameters into the links. So building UTM parameters is very simple. All you need to do is that just paste the URL that you are going to promote on this field. So here you can see I have pasted digitaldeepak.com/the article on predictive analytics. So I did a promotion for this predictive analytics article through my email list, and what I did was that I pasted the URL here. I gave the campaign source as subscribers, I gave the campaign medium as email, and I gave the campaign name as PA, which stands for predictive analytics. So once you give all these details, you will get a link, and the link would look like this. So it will be the URL, and then there will be a question mark UTM underscore source, UTM underscore medium, and UTM underscore campaign equal to PA. So I can go ahead and promote this particular link within my email. So Google also gives you an option to convert this URL into a short link. So once I click on this, it creates a goo.gl URL, which is a short link. And whatever traffic that I drive to this particular link, I will be able to see inside analytics on how much visitors came to this page via this particular campaign. So what I can do is that I will go back to analytics and I will go to the acquisition reports. So acquisition reports is something that we will cover separately, but in this video I just wanted to show you how the UTM parameters work so that you start promoting links with the UTM parameters inside the link as soon as you start practicing analytics. So inside acquisition, first let's go ahead and look at what is the total amount of traffic that the predictive analytics article has got. So let's look from March 1st to yesterday, and let me look at the predictive analytics article. So here I'm able to see 10 pages only. So I need to go into site content and all pages. And let me go ahead and look at top 100 rows. And here I can search for the keyword predictive. So once I search for the keyword, I will be able to get this particular article. So here you can see that there has been 897 page views for this particular article. But I want to check what is the exact number of page views that I have got from my email campaign, because the link in the email campaign was UTM coded. So I have to go into acquisition and I have to go into campaigns, and let me go ahead and click on all campaigns. So inside all campaigns, so the campaign name was PA, you could remember that, and inside PA you will be able to see the source and the medium. So source was subscribers and the medium was email. As you can see here, the campaign source is subscribers and medium is email. So inside analytics I am able to see that this particular page has given me 378 users and 260 new users and 500 sessions. So let me see if I'm able to go ahead and get a secondary dimension on this. So if I want to get secondary dimension, I can go ahead and check more data within this. So let's say within users, I will be able to see what is the city that these people have visited from. So this will give me an idea about where my email subscribers are distributed in the country. So you can see that Bangalore is the number one, and then we have Hyderabad. We have not set is something where Google Analytics is not able to predict which city they are coming from. So here are the top 10 cities through which this particular page has been visited through my email list. So I hope this video gives you a clear idea about how to use UTM parameters, and eventually when we look at the section on goals and goal completions, we will be able to attribute this back to UTM parameters. So when you are driving traffic from Facebook or Twitter or a particular paid campaign on Google or any other medium, go ahead and send traffic using UTM parameters, and remember the terms and definitions that we learned. Remember the difference between source, medium, and campaign name. Make sure that you don't use this interchangeably. So once you have built a proper naming convention, you will be able to track all the sources of traffic, and you will be even be able to track the revenue from certain sources of traffic. So that's about it for this video, and I will see you in the next video.